In this chart, we solve limit x tends to 2, 3x square minus x minus 10 divided by x square minus 4. We evaluate these limits. Okay. Suppose we substitute x is equals to 2 in the denominator, then the denominator tends to 0. That means the final value goes to infinity. So we didn't substitute 2 in the denominator. Before substituting 2, we go for some process. Here process is 3x square minus x minus 10 is a quadratic equation. Applying factorization here. Okay, here 30 is there, 6x and 5x. 3x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 10. Here 3x is common, x minus 2. Here also 5 is common, remaining is x minus 2. X minus 2 is common, remaining terms are 3x plus 5. Okay, numerator we categorized into factors that are x minus 2 and 3x plus 5. We divide denominator. Okay, we split denominator as a factors. It is in the form of a square minus b square. Okay, it will write as a plus b into a minus b. That means x plus 2 into x minus 2. Then limit x tends to 2 is equals to x minus 2 into 3x plus 5 divided by x plus 2 into x minus 2. X minus 2 cancel. Next step is x tends to 2, 3x plus 5 divided by x plus 2. Here we have substitute. X value is 2. 3 into 2 plus 5 divided by 2 plus 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 5 divided by 2 plus 2, 4. That is equals to 11 by 4. This is the way to solve these type of problems to avoid in the denominator 0. So limit x tends to 2, 3x square minus x minus 10 divided by x square minus 4 is equals to 11 by 4.